Hey explorers, it's summertime again, and you know we love our hot dogs. So, we're going to travel and find 3 more Coney dog spots, this time in northern Indiana. Let's go. We're at Bummie's Drive-In in Bluffton, Indiana.
It's so cute. I say that about a lot of places, but a lot of places are cute.
Mm-hmm.
They've been here since 1962.
And we're trying their fries, a Coney dog, and Jade got a cheeseburger.
You ready to eat with us? Look at those fries.
Say it again.
Oh, Ronnie got the Spanish dog. That's what they're known for here. It looks good.
Yeah, she's right. I should say this is not technically a Coney dog. Here, it's known as a Spanish dog, which is a variant of a Coney dog. So, yeah.
It counts. Looks yummy. Oh, it's like very chilly. See it? You see it?
I'm going to put some mustard on it, too.
Which comes on these side trays. So cute. Yum.
Pretty good. A little messy. A good dog.
Mm. How's the sauce?
It's got a slight sweetness, but
Ooh.
more savory, more tangy.
Mm.
Yeah, this is like almost a beanless chili sauce.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
I'm picking up what you're putting down.
Maybe a little bit of sweetness. Not much, though.
Okay.
Not like previous. There is some sweetness there, but not as sweet as previous dogs we've had.
That tracks.
I like this one.
Mm.
Mm-hmm.
I missed. Bummie's is super cute. Their fries are delicious. And when they serve root beer, they serve them in these cute little like mugs. They're so cute.
Frosted mugs, yeah.
Yeah. Mm. What you think, baby?
I really liked the Spanish dog. It was very good. And like she said, the fries are good as well. All right, on to the next place.
Ooh. So Ronnie and I are in Angola, Indiana. We went to Tom's Coneys. Let's try it. All right, babe. What we got?
Okay, we got the Coneys just as they normally make them, with Coney sauce, onion, and cheese on top. This like chili sauce?
Oh, and there's mustard too.
There is mustard on the bottom.
I like these.
So this Coney sauce kind of straddles the line between being a little bit sweet and a little bit chili-ish. And then the mustard on the bottom really adds a little dimension to it. I like that a lot.
I do too. And I usually don't like onions, but for some reason, I'm not minding them in this sauce.
Yours didn't have too many. This Coney sauce has some, is a little bit more meaty than some other Coney sauces. It has like bigger chunks of hamburger in it. Oh, you're losing it. But it is soupy, like chili sauce.
These are very good. Those might be my favorites.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay.
Ow. I think those were my favorite Coneys so far. But the reason why...
And they had onions on them.
I know. Is I don't like it when, like, there's so much chili or Coney sauce on there that, like, just absorbs and takes over everything. And you're just eating chili at that point. I don't like that. I also don't like it when it makes the bread so soggy and then it makes it gross. I think that's... I don't like that.
You're right. They didn't have an overly large amount of Coney sauce.
Yeah, it was like the right amount. And with the mustard balanced, like you said, it's very good.
And the cheese did not distract from the Coney. I'm not sure how much it really added to it, but...
I like this cheese because it's string, like sprinkled cheese. Oh, it's just better. Shredded cheese. We are at Barker's B&K Car Hop. And oh my gosh, cannot wait to share their food with you. So, this is the cutest car hop ever. It is happening.
It is very busy here, yeah.
Super busy. Yeah. Like, it's been a very steady flow. And we came here at like a weird time too. At like 2:43. So Ronnie got some Coney dogs.
Sure did. Look. Oh, can't really see that. Look at that. Look at the Coney goodness.
Mama got a cheeseburger. We got some root beer, tater tots, and what are they called?
Mini elephant ears.
We got mini elephant ears.
Tiny little personal elephant ears.
I can't wait to eat these. All right, babe. Sink in.
All right.
Tell us what you think.
So I got their Coney with cheese. And it's messy, just like a good Coney should be. The sauce is a little bit sweeter.
Ooh.
It's got a little Definitely a tomato flavor in there.
Oh,
It's a little bit like Sloppy Joe.
okay.
hmm And then the cheese sauce, nice and salty. A little bit of cheese flavor there.
Mm.
The dog itself is nice. It's good. Pretty standard dog. Mm,
All right.
it's pretty good.
Their tater tots are. If you're a tater tot person, you understand. They're perfect.
All right.
They're crunchy and soft at the same time. They're salty, but not too salty. Mwah, chef's kiss.
Oh, that looks like a good cheeseburger on.
I know.
Looks like a good cheeseburger.
Oh my god.
Everything a cheeseburger should be.
Oh my god. Made with love. The beef patty's perfect. The cheese is perfect. The bun is perfect. I'm a pickles girl. And it's perfect. I'm so hungry. Ow. This burger, we live, 90 minutes away from
Yep.
this place?
Yep.
I would drive 90 minutes for this burger.
Really?
It is phenomenal.
Okay.
And I mean, made with love.
That's great.
Come here. A plus. How's the root beer?
You want to try it?
Mm-hmm.
That's pretty good root beer. Not too sweet. It's got that good
Oh,
rooty,
it's like old-fashioned root beer.
rooty sarsaparilla. Yeah. Good flavor, not too sweet. Not too much root beer flavor, just enough.
Mm-hmm.
That's pretty good. Yeah.
I approve this
Yeah, it
message.
tastes like the old-fashioned or homemade root beer goodness.
Mm.
Also, the car hops here are very nice, but they're very busy. They've been running all around. So if you come, give them a shout out.
Seriously.
Tip them well.
Seriously. They're bustling.
They're bustling. Okay, we got 2 of the mini elephant ears.
And
We're gonna try them
cinnamon.
out. Yeah, we got the classic cinnamon and sugar elephant ears, so those are great.
Mm.
I personally like my elephant ears a little bit fluffier, not the crispy kind.
Interesting.
Do you like crispy?
I love the crispy.
Oh, okay. So this will work out because we got one that's kind of crispy and one that's a little bit fluffy.
Well, then that worked out great.
So here's my mini elephant ear.
Oh, they're so cute. Oh my god, they're cute.
I can help this.
Oh, that's okay. That's hilarious. Yeah, this is the one
I know that. Is it?
Heck yeah.
Well, that's great.
That's a lot of sugar.
It is. There is a lot of cinnamon and sugar down at the bottom, so this might be a little messy.
Mm.
It is an elephant ear.
Oh my god. And these mini elephant ears are only 65 cents.
Yeah. So it's
Amazing.
I mean, if you don't want to eat an entire elephant ear, you just want the taste of one. And honestly, let's be honest, I need to watch my health, and I'm sure many of you do too. So you know what? This is probably the exact perfect amount of elephant ear.
I mean, it is.
So if you can't tell, we are strongly recommending Barker's B&K in Kokomo, Indiana.
Seriously. I would drive 90 minutes for this place. Yeah, we're gonna come back.
And it's a classic old style drive under the awning
Oh my god.
root beer stand. I mean, you don't get much more classic than this, actually.
It's cool. This is so retro. I love it.
Yeah.
This is cool. This is cool.